In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an animated GIF to your Outlook signature. If you're looking to add a bit of personality or pizzazz to your email correspondence, this is a great way to do it. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have an eye-catching animated GIF added to your email signature, making your communication stand out. To get started, ensure you're using the Microsoft Outlook desktop application. Once you have opened the application, you'll want to direct your attention to the top right corner of the window. Here, you'll find a settings icon, typically represented by a small gear symbol. Click on this icon to open up a menu where you can customize various aspects of your Outlook environment. Once you're in the settings menu, you'll want to locate the section labeled Account. Under this category, you'll see an option for signatures. Click on Signatures to open a new window where you can manage and create your email signatures. This area allows you to include various elements in your signature, such as text, images, and now animated GIFs. In the signature editing window, you'll see a text box. This is where you can add or modify the content of your signature. Somewhere below this text box, you'll notice an image icon, which is typically a small picture of mountains or a landscape. Click on this icon to open a File Explorer dialog. With the File Explorer open, navigate to the location on your computer where your desired animated GIF is stored. Select the GIF you want to use from your files. Once selected, click Attach or Open to add it to your signature. You'll see it appear in the signature box indicating a successful addition. Don't forget to save your changes before exiting this window. There's usually a Save button that you'll need to click. This action will ensure that your new signature is saved and ready for use in your future emails. After saving, head back to the main dashboard in Outlook. To test your new signature with the animated GIF, create a new email by clicking on the New Mail or New Email button. Once the new email window opens, look at the signature field. Here, you should see your recently updated signature, complete with the animated GIF you added earlier. This process should illustrate how to add a touch of excitement to every email you send. Your signature is now not just a formality, but a personalized aspect of your communication that reflects your style or brand. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and remember to check your new GIF-enhanced signature each time you start drafting an email.